Uh, let's knock out this homework for 10-2. It says complete problems 1 through 10. You conduct a survey that asks 346 students whether they pack their lunch in exercise 1 through 4. Use the results of the survey shown in the 2A table. Number 1 says, what does 86 represent? That represents the number of freshmen that, yes, packed their lunch. So 86 represented the number of freshmen who packed their lunch. Number 2 is for you to do. Number 3 says how many sophomores packed their lunch. We just look under the sophomore category. And under the yes for packed their lunch, that's going to be 52. So a total of 52 sophomores packed their lunch. You have number 4 to do. Let's move on. On this one, it says a two-way table shows the results of the survey. Find and interpret the marginal frequencies. I'm basically going to add these two together here, right, to come up with a sum down here. If I do that, 8 plus 2 is 10, so carry the 1. Then that's going to be 4 plus 6 is 10. Carry, one more would be 11. And then we carry the 1, that's going to be 310. Then over here, we'll take 4 plus 4, that's 8. And 6 plus 5, that's 11. And then when you add these together, that's going to give us, it's like 428. All right, when we add these two together here, 8 plus 4 is going to be 12. I'm just going to put it over here, 12. We'll carry the 1. And 6 plus 6 is 12, plus 1 makes 13. We'll carry the 1, that's going to be 232. And then here we'll add these two. 2 plus 4 is 6. 4 plus 5 is 9, and that 1 comes down. And you see we're going to get the same amount here, right? 2 plus 6 is 8. 3 plus 9 is 12, carry the 1, and 2 plus 1 plus 1 is 4, right? So let's see how we do there. Let's see. Oh, perfect. 232, 196, 428, 118, and 310. So all my numbers were correct. Now, how would you interpret this? Well, I interpret it as saying there are 232 male students that's were asked if they set academic goals, right? Then you have 196 students that were asked, female students that were asked if they set academic goals. There were 310 students that did set academic goals, and 118 that did, and 428 means the total students that were asked. So let me just erase this. It says 232 male students and 196 female students were asked if they set academic goals, as we said here. 310 set academic goals, 118 didn't, and 428 were the total students that were asked. All right. Number 6 is for you to do. Number 7 says rating of TV series finale. So if we're doing these again, we're going to just simple arithmetic here, right? 4 plus 0, that's 4. 2 plus 2 is 4, and 1 plus 1 is 2. Over here, 2 plus 8 is 10, carry the 1. That's going to be 90. Then over here, 8 plus 2, that's going to give me 10, carry the 1. That's going to be 120. All right. Then we can go ahead and go this way with it. If we do, we're going to have 4 plus 2, that's 6. 6 plus 8 is 14. We'll carry the 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. So that would be a 2 here, and we'll carry the 1. We only got 1 to add to that, so it's going to be 224. Now we'll add these together. 0 plus 8 plus 2 is 10. We'll carry the 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 6 is 13. So this will be a 3, and we'll carry the 1, and 1 and 1 make 2. And then we add these together, 4 plus 0, well, that's going to be 4. 2 plus 3 is 5, and 2 plus 2 is 4. Let's see if this adds up this way. 4 plus 0, that's 4. 4 plus 9, that's 13. Plus 2 more make 15. And then we'll carry the 1. 1 plus 2 is 3, and 3 plus 1 is 4. That's perfect. So when we do this, we can see that 224 will be here, 230 will be here, 454 here, 120 here, 90 here, and 244 here. So what does this all mean? Let's see, get rid of this. What it means is that for rating the TV series, for good, fair, or poor, there were 224 males that were asked, 230 females that were asked. Of the males that, or of the total people that were asked, 244 of them thought it was good. A grid rating for the series finales. 90 thought it was fair, and 120 thought it was poor. There were 454 people asked altogether. That's what it says here. 224 males and 230 females responded to the survey, right? And a total of 244 rated good, 90 rated fair, 120 rated poor, and a total of 454 students were surveyed. Number 8 is for you to do. 9 and 10 says complete the two-way table that shows the survey results. Okay, so it says complete the two-way table that shows the result. Well, okay, so this is just almost like doing a Sudoku puzzle when you think about it. First, I'm going to take 352, and I'm going to minus 274. Let's just do this over here. 352. And I'm going to minus 274. That's going to give me what the no's are, right? Because if this is the total amount, this is just the yeses, then I need the no's. So that's going to bring me, remember we're subtracting here. So that's going to give me an 8. We would have to carry the 1. So that would be 4. And then we'd have to borrow 1 from here. And 14 minus 7 is 78. All right, so that would make this 78. You know what, I'm just going to move that. Hold on a second. Let's see, put it right here, 78. And now that I have that one, I can go ahead and work this one, right? I can take 78 and minus 62. Well, that doesn't take a lot of brain power at all. That's going to be a total of 16. Put it in this corner here. And I'm sure all of you followed along with that one because 8 minus 2, right? 8 minus 2 is 6, and 7 minus 6 is 1. All right, now that we've got 2 here, we can figure out the total on this one. If we do, we see we have 184 plus 16. So 4 plus 6, that's going to be a 0. We're going to carry the 1, and then 1 plus 8 plus 1, that's 10, so that's another 0. Carry the 1, and then 1 plus 1 is 2. So this would be 200. Well, 352 minus 200, that's 152. And now I can work backwards here. 152 minus 62, that's going to be 90. I know that because 0 plus 2 is 2, and 9 plus 6 is 15. All right, let's see how we did. There we go. 152, 200, 78, 16, and 90. All done correctly. All right, number 10 is for you to do, and I believe that was all of them. Yep, so we'll be starting 10.3 when you get into class after we grade homework. See you in class.